What's going on, guys? It's your boy Squeevs here, and it's really bright outside. But I'm out here because I just got this, and this is what we're doing in today's video. So this is my new shift knob. I'm going to be making a custom shift boot. So of course BMW doesn't like to do threads for some reason, like most companies. So I bought the adapter piece. This slides in over the non-threaded part, and you have the threaded part. So I already broke this thing loose because boilers are tough to get off. So this slides on over that. And this, the only problem that I have with it is how high it is. It is extremely high. So I got my trusty grinder right here, and I'm gonna cut it down. Now, I've never cut anything in the car this close, so this is gonna be fun. Okay, I should definitely vacuum my car before I go anywhere. Be breathing in metal shavings for a while. But I'm gonna clean it off, and then it'll be good to go. I feel like I got stabbed by metal. Oh, there's so much metal shavings everywhere, dude. Not bad. Now, there, now it's just so much freaking lower, dude. You should have seen how high it was before. Here, we'll throw everything back together. I wanted to put, unless this thing can just fit that. Nope. Okay. Pull that back on. Let's try this again. Okay. Motor, is that what it does?
Well, not that you, well, you know when you take out the spark plugs?
Yeah.
It's the rubber thing that's inside the...
Boom! Look at that. See, doesn't it look so much better than this? Let's set up here. See, now I'm gonna get that custom shift boot. That's gonna be the second half of the video to replace this piece, the crap, and this piece of crap, since I'm starting on my interior. But that's next. This is done for today. I have to go to Hobby Lobby and get a bunch of crap to do the rest of the video. So, anyway, just pull you right on up. And I gotta remove it from this. I've only got one free hand, so nice and easy. Literally, it was just these. Oh, that one's broke, but these right here. Maybe it's not broke actually. Let's see, this one is also that way. It's not broke that way. Right there. We'll push it back in there for now. Done. Ooh. Hello. Where was that? Well, that's a great start. I've filmed all that, taking it off with no volume, so hopefully you can hear me now. But I bought plenty of the suede material. Ooh. Got a nice cut. Cut the first piece. Don't even know if it was recording, but scraps. I cut it a little bit bigger than this piece. Piece that I cut. Trash. Now we got the professional here.
And then when you get to the end, you want to go hold it so you go backwards and then go back forward. And that knots it.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Too close. There she is. I gotta take the tape off real quick to go install it. I have the tape on to hold it down while the glue was drying up. Boom. Suede shift boot. Let's go install it. Okay, so got the shift boot in here. I cut this thing down just a hair, just because it was a little bit too tall for my liking. So cut that down. Now I want the shift boot to fit over, and then the Dragon Ball just sit right on top, something like that. So I'm going to tighten this thing down off camera because I need two hands. So here we go. Ready, set. Okay, threw a zip tie down in there underneath on the bottom just to make sure the shift boot doesn't like collapse. And now feels like there's a lot of air underneath. It's kind of weird. First, doesn't pull too far. Oh, I freaking knew it was gonna pull it too far. That was my big concern. There we go. Fix the zip tie underneath. Now we're good. Love that stitching. I think it looks so good. But yeah, that's how you do it. Bang. Started this video in the car. Oh, and now I'm ending the video in the car. Look at that. How? I'm not even working on the car. I somehow got black on me. Sweaty. Freaking hot out here. But that's gonna be all for today's video, guys. Super happy with how this shift knob came out. I'm gonna make the e-brake boot at a later date, might throw it in the video, don't know. But for now, I just want to go ahead and make the shift boot, see if we could do it, see how the orange stitching looks, and I love it. My girlfriend worked extremely hard on it, so I'm super excited. I think it looks really good. Look at that. Oh yeah, that looks super good. Super excited about how that looks. Again guys, that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to tune in next week. It's actually going to be a good video. Sneak peek right now. Okay. Alright, you convinced me. I'll be right back. Okay. You ready? Ready? And that's all that y'all get to see. Tune in next week and you'll get to see the rest. Hopefully it's a one-part video. Might make it a two-part. If it's a two-part, I'm sorry. That just means there was too much footage. But you might see the paint color. Oh! You might see it next week. Might be the week after. Don't know. Subscribe so that way you can see. See you guys.